Hey YouTube friends and fans, I've already done it. There's a little bird here behind me. I'm going to show you what I can do. Let's go check it out. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So nobody would probably believe this. It just happened. This little guy let me pet him a second ago. We'll see if it'll let me do it again. He is a juvenile, but he's lost his marbles. You gotta go home, buddy. You can't just sit there. Can I get you up close and personal? What are you doing? Huh? You can't just sit there. You gotta go. You belong in the trees, not on the end of my trailer. Crazy. See if he'll land on your finger. Put your finger underneath his feet.
You have two sharper claws. Give me a second.
Okay. Put your other hand behind him and see if you can push him out on your hand. There you go. Take him over to the trees. Nice and slowly.
I can even feel his claws. Which one?
I don't care. Find a limb or somewhere and see if you'll climb up on it. There you go.
That's so cool how he'll just like...
I think he's back at home now, huh? Alright, let's let him go.